Alright folks, how we doing? Today we're going to be doing a wee adventure. We're going to do a wild camp on the summit of Beinn Chaorach, which is in the Luss hills. So we're going to be doing that. So we're going to go and do a wee horseshoe loop round to that. So I'm looking forward to that. It should be good. Just sort of show you up there. We're going to go right up to that one and right along, and then you'll see more of it when we get up there. But really looking forward to it. So I'll catch you guys in the trail. Cheers. Here we go. So let's have a look at the difference in the packs here. Look at Murchie's massive mountain pack. Look at Stripey's. How cool's that? Alright guys, just showing you this is the normal way up. So they go up the top of that hill and along there, and then you head, that's Beinn Chaorach up there, and then after that it'll take you to the one we're going to. That's a normal route up. We're going to be going up here, over there, and right up, a wee horseshoe there, and then that'll take us up to Beinn Chaorach. So that's the way we're going. Tough going this, by the way. Oh, this is tough, man. I need to get my weight down in that backpack, man. I don't know how to do it. This first bit's just straight up. See what we're doing this here now? It's just straight up. Look, straight up there, man. It's hard going. Great workout with my heavy backpack, but oh, it's soul destroying. But hey ho, keep going. Alright folks, that's me having a wee break. About 3/4 of the way up here to go into the ridge, so doing okay, but oof, it's killer with this heavy backpack, honestly. And I know I keep saying I'm going up the hill, but I need to sort it out. Honestly, any tips guys, just give us a shout. I'll probably do a wee video of what's in my bag and you'll laugh. I'm just, I'm the same when I go on holiday, I'm a nightmare. So I need to get it sorted because it's no use, honestly. Summer okay, just the winter I just think, oh, I need some extra stuff just in case, so I need to change that. Look at that cool view there. Then the Clyde. That's me sort of getting onto the ridge now, folks, so hopefully after that big bit up there, I'll be getting near the summit of the first one. See what happens. Look at the view behind me though, eh? Wow. Absolutely awesome. You can see the campsites there, old I'm going! Yay! Brilliant. Yeah, what a view. Worth it. That was really hard going. I've still got miles to go, so oh, I need to get fitter. Wow, excellent. There's Cornick Hillaway in the background over there, and then that's the Glen Finlass. I think Davey from Loch on the Wild Side's done that one recently in a video. Looks pretty good. Oh, hey, look at that, all opening up now. Wow. Nice one. I love it. this is on a Balloch now, so we're going to go way up to that one up there, and there's Chaorach over there, Beinn Chaorach over there, but I don't know if we'll be going to that. We might just camp on Horseshoe, we don't know, we'll see what happens, but keep going anyway. But good wee ridge walks this, quite like it, sparse. There you go, there's Finglass down there. Look at the mountains now, all opening up. There's Beinn Lomond straight ahead of us there. I'll put the names up. Take my time going across here. See what we can get. Wow. Right away. There's Loch Lomond, you can see just there. Look at that. I'll try and get them up. Wow. Superb. Quality. Right guys, going to do a wee 360 here. Oh. This is at the highest point, I think it's 638 on this side before we go on to the other side. Look at that. Wow. Take my time in here. That's me at this wee summit. Just doing a wee 60 to see what you think. It's absolutely amazing. Whoa! Hey, I'll turn it the other way as well. Look at that. Take my time. Brilliant. Love it up here. Never been up the Luss hills before. Worth it. Crack me hills. Yeah, Graham's. And there's the old Beinn Lomond. Thinking about putting the drone up, but as you know, I lost my drone last year up the camp season, just took a risk with the wind, and I'm just a wee bit scared to do it now, and there's a wee bit of wind now, and I'll see how I get on at that other mountain over there, see when we get over there. So we're not sure if we're going to camp on that one or go up to the top of Chaorach. That's Horseshoe there, and that's Chaorach, that's how you pronounce it. So we'll see what happens. Superb. Just gonna down that wee Balloch there, right back onto the top of that. Oh, look at that valley. How cool is that? Excellent this. Oh. If you've not been up to Scotland before, get yourself up to the hills because they're absolutely brilliant. Hey. Just coming up to the top of Beinn Chaorach. There we go. Wow. Nice one. Look at the views. We are now heading up there to Beinn Chaorach, but whether we camp there is a different matter. We'll see how the wind is. Down a bit lower. That cool, look at the hills over there. Quality. There's Vaseline down there, look at that. There's a firing range up at the top of that. Just, geez oh. Last wee bit to the summit. There we go. You can see the horseshoe there that we came over, down up to there, then down through here. There we go. There's Vaseline down there. Just got this bit to do here, we're nearly there. Whew. This last pool's pretty hard going as well. Whew. But it's worth it in the end when you get to the summit. Hey. Oh. This could be the true summit. Here. Oh, let's see. There we go. There. Hey, look at this. Oh, so that's it, the summit of Chaorach. Ah, cool. Hard going. There you go. And then probably go to this because this might be the other summit. Looks higher, so let's go up to this one just in case. There we go. Alright folks, that's me at the trig point. I don't think that's the true summit. I think we're striped headings over there where we were already, it's the true summit, so it's always good to do them both just in case. I'll check it out though. So there we go, look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. What all the way around there, look at this, 360, hey. Take it in again. Absolutely incredible. I can see Aaron now, don't know if the GoPro can see it, but oh, there's Goat Fell and all the lovely mountains in Aaron. Superb. Top up here so you can see. See so. Plenty of camp spots up here, but no camping up here. I don't think, it's just too windy. I can hear gunshots from the firing range there. You hear them? Just down over there. A couple of shots there. It's getting super windy up here, so as you can see there, really windy up the top of that one and windy at that one. Correct view, you get Aaron and Ailsa Craig over there. See so, Dunoon, Millport. See so, cool's that, eh? Rothsay. Beaut. There's Beinn Chaorach over there, and the wee spot where me and Stripey camped before. I'll put the name of it up. Oh well folks, we're just going to go back to the car. There's just zero spots just now, you can find nothing. It's not getting high wind and it's just nothing, it's just normal. But it wasn't what we were going to do. We were meant to be camping on the summit, so not bothered really. So a good hike, absolute. I'll get the case and put it on at the end, but it was a well hiked, especially with me with the heavy backpack. That's twice I've done that. Heavy backpack, I've not camped. Good though. Crazy stuff, but hey ho. Needs a must, so I'll speak to you soon when I get into the car. That's us nearly at the car now, so we decided just to come home and not bother camping down any lower. It wasn't really worth it. It was pretty boggy everywhere and not great spots, and the summit was just far too windy, and the weather forecast was wrong actually, because it didn't see those sort of speeds. So at night it was meant to be getting worse and there was going to be snow, so I think we made the right decision. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.